Guess who?
Today we journey to the beach. What a delightful place to spend the day. Here one finds complete relaxation and is invigorated by the tang of the fresh salt air. The soothing rhythm of the surf, should we say carries one away? Yes, I think we should. For those who seek entertainment, there's the amusement pier where everything... Say, wonder why all the crowd? Looks like a fight.
I guess you think I'm trying to kill this turkey. Well, I am, and I tell you why. Today is my day off. So, as is my usual custom, I came to the beach to spend the
My body lies above the ocean. My body lies above... My body lies above the ocean. My body lies above the sea. My body lies above the ocean. Bring back my body to me. Bring back my body to me. Prepare for crash landing. That is all. Roger. That boy wish to ask Yogi question?
Yeah. Where is that little redhead? Where did he go? Where is he?
That's a toughie. Yogi must consult stars. He's in there.
Goody. You open the curtain and I'll grab him.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And that's why I'm going to get rid of this woodpecker once and for good.